guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm going to make an inclined diagonal shirt. To begin, I've just laid my shirt out flat, smoothed out some of the wrinkles. With one hand I'm grabbing the seam that's on the shoulder where the sleeve meets the top, and I'm grabbing the bottom corner, and I'm just folding that over. I'm just making a diagonal fold across my shirt. Then I'm going to fan fold this diagonal line. I'm trying to smooth my folds out all the way across the shirt as I go. When I've completed my fan folds, I'm going to tie it up with some kite string. To do an incline dye on this, I've taken one of my tubs, put my rack down in the end of the tub and left one end hanging out over the edge. Then I've taken another tub, put it down underneath the rack to give it more of an incline. I'm using some hemostats to hold my shirt in place so that it doesn't slide down the rack. I'm not clamping them on the shirt, just beside the shirt. On the end of the shirt, I am using some custom colors turquoise, followed by Dharma's royal blue, grape, and Chinese red. Then I'm just going to repeat this pattern down the shirt again. I'm going to turn my shirt over and do the same pattern on the other side, making sure to saturate all my colors really well. Then I'm going to put another set of hemostats on to hold everything in place. Okay, so here's what our shirt ended up looking like. I really like these colors together. Thank you guys for watching.